If you've ever been following the history of Mountain Trail, you'll know that I started the company 20 years ago. Behind our company is an engineering company. Laser cutting in-house, CNC pressing in-house, welding in-house, motor trimming. Everything is done right here in Albury, and our vans are off-road. What that means to us, they're built not to fall apart. The way that we build our caravans is different. Firstly, we have a hot dip galvanized chassis. We then build the floor onto it, which is a composite material. It's a very, very heavy duty insulated fiberglass. Then the internal parts are all of our laser cut aluminium cabinets. So everything's laser cut, CNC pressed, put together in modules, and that is the structure of the van. And then we put composite walls on the sides of it and the roof, wrapping all of the laser cut aluminium together into a structure. By doing this, there's no screws. Our drawer slides, the cabinets, the hinges, the microwaves, the fridges are all bolted into position with Loctite locked in, so a screw cannot work loose. It's extremely unique. We've developed it ourselves and it's proven. In corrugations and off-road, that's what you want. Also with dust ingress, we have a pressurizing system. If you look down the side of our van here, you'll see there's no vents at all. There's not one vent in it. Vents traditionally are in caravans because they have gas. We don't use gas. It's completely an electric van. Stepping into this van feels absolutely luxurious with the beautiful colour tones and the full queen size bed, exactly the same size as what you would have at home, with complete walk around. Other features include the thermostatically controlled diesel air heater and a roof mounted reverse cycle heating and cooling that can run off the battery. We have a beautiful full-length kitchen. We have a deep sink, black tapware, induction cooktop, microwave, dual fans, a 250-litre internal refrigerator, and we have face-to-face seating with the Garmin control right at our fingertips. We have significantly updated the electrical system, incorporating Garmin control with Victron charging and an Oscorp underslung chassis mounted battery. The advantage of this system is they integrate seamlessly together, giving you absolute control from this Garmin screen that is completely removable, just like this. At the back of the van, we have our full ensuite with a separate shower, a separate toilet, a washing machine, and a basin. Another feature you'll notice in our vans is we've raised the height to 2030mm, so tall people like myself can walk around without hitting their head on the air conditioner. If you'd like to know anything more about this van, please check out our website, our Queensland showroom, or take a visit to the Albury factory and see how they're built. Thanks for watching.